Hello, welcome to a new and powerful way to learn. Give your child the gift of knowledge by giving him or her this application. This application will allow your child to learn grade school English and put knowledge at his or her fingertips. Now, what you see on your screen is the interface of the application. On the left, you have the menu with a list of topics that are covered in this module. Now, this is a preview. It's not the full module. This will allow you to use the application and get a sense of the look and feel of the application and see how it works. So this video is designed to show you how the application works. It's a sample, just like how persons are selling guineas on the street. They would say taste and buy. Well, this is the equivalent of that taste and buy. You see how it works, if you like it, and if you think your child will like it and use it, well, get the full application for your child. It's very simple to use. You point, click and learn. So first, the name of the application is it's a preview, it's a demo, it's not the full version of grade school English. So that's the name at the top there, and on the right you see a tab is called resources. When you click on that tab in the application that you will receive, you can download these lessons in PDF form on your computer and see the contents, the full contents of different each module. English module, the content, all the topics that we covered. So when you get the application, you type his or her name. For let's say it's John. Then you click continue, and what you see revealing on your screen are the topics that will be covered in the full version of the application. For example, basic parts of speech, nouns, common and proper nouns. Each topic that you see listed here will be covered in detail in the full version, explaining step by step how to, for example, compare adjectives and much more. Now, when you click on the tab, you'll learn information about the author of this application. And when you click the next button, it takes you to a different section. And you're asked to enter your code here, your password. And you have to type in the password, which is 12345678. You type it in. And then you click submit. But before I click submit, you should click on this pulsing button, this icon here, and you'll hear the voiceover that accompanies this thing. You click away and it closes that marker. So you just point and click. For contact information, when you click on the button, you'll see the copyrights, name of the author, and so on information. Close that application. Then you click submit. Your password is correct, so you continue, and it takes you to a different section. This is your personal guide for learning English. Remember, this is a preview, it's a demo, it's not the full version. When you click on this icon, grade school math topics, this should be grade school English topics rather, what's it all about and so on. You can listen to that and so on. Now, to go to an actual lesson, this preview has one lesson. These with pronouns. And you can control the video. You click here to play.
In this series of videos, we learn more about pronouns.
So you have control over the lesson. This lesson deals with pronouns, personal pronouns, and reflexive pronouns, and goes into detail. Lasts around 4 to 5 minutes. Now, the full version will have over 30 video lessons that you have absolute control over. You can pause and replay the video any number of times. You click next to go to the next section. This section is deactivated, it will not play. You click here to get some more information.
Hello, this is an important.
You hear the voice of the narrator. click away, it stops. You go next. Now this is a knowledge check. Here your child has the opportunity of doing a quiz because the application has dozens of quizzes, multiple choice questions.
Hello, welcome to this interactive quiz.
Remember, when you click there, you'll hear the voiceover explaining more about the quizzes and how they work and so on. You click next. For example, this is an example of a quiz. It's timed, so your child has to work according to time. Nouns are the names of objects, people, and places. True or false? True. Submit. Get correct. Verbs must be in agreement with nouns. True or false? Let's say I said it's false. It's incorrect, so your child gets instant feedback and the results are shown at the end.